Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you a demo how to create SQL using SQL query, how to create a database table. So you can create database table using SQL query using this keyword create table. So your SQL query should be create table, the table name. Okay, so here I am giving an example. So employee, so create table employee, the table name. Within brackets you should give all the column names that you want in the table: employee ID, last name, first name, employee designation, address, city and salary. And in the right hand side you should give the data type. The data type means the column what it can hold, whether number or alphanumeric or whatever it is. It's a string or double, okay, or blob. There are a lot of different types of there are a lot of types of data types. So here I mentioned integer, it's going to hold number, and these are all going to hold the strings. And here you can see 255. What is that? This is just the limit, so it can hold maximum of 255 characters. So this is the SQL query for creating the table. Create table, table name. Table name here is employee, and these are the columns that I want in my database table. Let's create it. Before that I want to just tell you I have Derby plugin is installed in my Eclipse. In the data source explorer I have already created one connection. Okay, I have explicitly mentioned the database new driver connection, new driver definition, and I'm able to see all the tables. The moment I execute this query I can see one more table here. Okay, so let's execute this SQL query for creating the database. Looks like it is created. So if you see here, we have got the table created, employee. Just now we created this table. I'm going to execute this query so that we can check whether our table created or not. Yes, the table is created. Okay, and all the columns that we mentioned as created. This is going to hold int value, and this column is going to hold int value, and other things are going to hold strings. For demo purpose, let me execute this query, this insert query, so that we can have one row at least in our database. Now I'm going to call this. Okay, so now we have inserted one row into the employee table. So we have created employee table, and we have inserted one row, and we are able to see the values. So this is how you can create table in database. This is the SQL query for creation. Table name and column names you can mention. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.